The rocks behind me, we call them the Chinle Formation. They're sedimentary rocks that were deposited about 209 million years ago. Layers that were originally clay and mud and sand that became buried and were cemented into layers of sedimentary rock. And you can see behind me that these rocks are of many, many different beautiful colors: reds, oranges, pinks, gray and white, and even a little purple in places. And the differences in color have to do with the different minerals that are present, small amounts of different colored minerals, as well as the different sizes of the grains of sediment that make up the rock. So these sedimentary rocks were originally layers of mud and sand that were laid down by streams and rivers that flowed across this area from the south and the west and the east and crossed a relatively flat plain. But at the same time this was happening, farther off there were volcanoes erupting, big volcanoes like what we have in the Cascades in the Pacific Northwest today. And when these volcanoes would erupt, big clouds of ash would come out, and the ash clouds would drift over this area here, and the ash would fall down and mix with the other sediments in the floodplains of the river. And then when all of that was buried and converted to rock, you had chemical reactions and formed different minerals, and you get these beautiful colors in the rocks that are exposed in the more recent landscape today.